Hello traders. In this video, we will be discussing about a profitable strategy and indicator that can help you identify trend, and also it gives buy and sell entry signals. It is hard for some trader to identify a trend, but by the use of this new version of Supertrend, they can solve this problem. This indicator that I'm about to share with you can be used on equities, futures, crypto and forex markets. And it works in all time frame like 5 minutes, also on daily, weekly and hourly charts as well. So try to stay to the end of this video because I'm going to share in details how to use this indicator and strategy. Please, before we start, use 2 seconds of your time to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. So without any further delays, let's start. The indicator that we are going to be using in this strategy is called the Supertrend by Cryptogiant Social. The Supertrend is a trend following indicator. This indicator is created for easy spot of trend and it reversals. This indicator based on average true range. The calculation of its single line combines trend detection and volatility. It can be used to detect changes in trend direction and to position stops. To add this indicator to our chart, we navigate to the indicator search bar. Now we are going to search for Supertrend. Select the one made by Cryptogiant Social. This indicator is easy to use and it gives an accurate reading about an ongoing trend. It is constructed with 2 parameters, namely period and multiplier. The Supertrend has several inputs that you can adjust to match your trading strategy. Adjusting these settings allows you to make the indicator more or less sensitive to price changes. The buy and sell signals are generated when the indicator starts plotting either on top of the closing price or below the closing price. A buy signal is generated when the Supertrend closes above the price, and a sell signal is generated when it closes below the closing price. It also suggests that the trend is shifting from descending mode to ascending mode. Contrary to this, when a Supertrend closes above the price, it generates a sell signal as the color of the indicator changes into red. Understanding how this indicator works, let's see example on how to enter a trade using this indicator. But before that, let's explore the indicator setting for more understanding of it. Then we go to the indicator setting. On the input setting, you can see on the indicator time frame, you notice different time frame options. This means that if you set it to any of the time frame, the indicator will be indicating the current trend of the time you put in. For instance, you are in 5 minutes time frame and you set the indicator time frame to 1 hour. That means that it will be in 5 minutes chart and it will be indicating the 1 hour trend. This helps to identify long-term trend in the market. But with this strategy, we are going to leave it on default to show the current trend of the time frame we on. Checking again, you will see a TR period, which you can set it to any number you want the indicator to measure from. On the source, you can explore it and choose the best one that suits your style. But on this strategy that I'm sharing with you, we are going to choose close and leave other setting to it default. Now that you know everything about the indicator, let's see examples on how you can enter a trade using this indicator. Here is on Soluna USDT on 5 minutes time frame. You see that Supertrend indicator is showing green, indicating that price is on uptrend. And you see that it has given you a buy entry signal. Then you can enter a trade, setting your stop loss below the previous low and targeting 3 risk-reward ratio. Let's see example on how to enter a sell trade using the indicator. On the same Soluna USDT on 5 minutes time frame, you can see that the Supertrend is showing red color indicating that price is on downtrend, and you see that it has given you sell entry signal. With this confirmation, you can enter a trade setting your stop loss above the previous high and targeting 3 risk reward ratio. To avoid some of the false signal giving by the indicator, then we add more confirmation. Then you need to know how to identify a long-term trend. This is when we apply another Supertrend indicator. To add the indicator, we navigate to the indicator search bar. There we search for Supertrend, select the one made by Cryptogiant Social. After that, let's go to the indicator setting to set it to be able to identify long-term trend. On the input setting, on the indicator time frame, we are going to set it to 15 minutes. So we can see the current trend on 15 minutes since we are on 5 minutes. Then go to the style setting and uncheck the buy and sell icon. With this, we have more trend confirmation. How we are going to use this indicator is that when the second indicator identifies an uptrend, we are going to ignore all the sell signal given by the first indicator. And when we identify a downtrend with the second indicator, we are going to ignore all the buy signal given by the first indicator. So let's see how to enter a trade combining the two indicators. On looking at the chart, you notice that the second indicator is showing green, indicating an uptrend. And you see that the first indicator has given a buy signal and also indicating an uptrend. With this confirmation, you can enter a trade, setting your stop loss below the next low and targeting 3 risk-reward ratio. Let's see how we can enter a sell trade combining this two indicator. Confirming a long-term downtrend with the second indicator. And checking the first indicator, you notice that it has given us a sell signal and also indicating a downtrend. Then you can enter a trade, setting your stop loss above the previous high and targeting 3 risk-rewards ratio. As we have come to the end of the video, please leave your questions on the comment section. We will be glad to answer them. And also remember to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you on our next video.